Hello and welcome to another episode of How You Can Do It Too. I just ordered off a line and got it in, my steel drag mat. This is 4.5 foot by 5 foot, and I'm going to give it a try on my dirt road, see how it does. I don't know if I'm going to weight it down, try it just like it is, but try to fill in all the potholes and all that stuff, because our dirt road's getting pretty bad. I don't know if I'm going to get into it or not, but I thought about doing an affiliate thing where you can order it and I get a little bit, well, I don't know what it is, 2% or whatever. But if you see the link on the bottom of the description, you know that's what I'm doing. But I'm going to go ahead and get the box opened up and we'll take a look and see what it looks like. Okay, I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Hook up to my UTV, because that's what I'm going to be using it for. I guess you can use your truck or whatever. The box says total weight's like 46.5 pounds. That's counting chain and everything and the shipping. But you can see it's got a, I don't know, there you go, you can see it. Looks pretty solid. Don't know exactly how long the chain is. It looks like it's like maybe 5 foot, 4 foot when it's hooked up. And it says not to weight it down, but I figured I can put a couple tires on here if it's not heavy enough for what I'm going to do it. I guess dragging fields or stuff like that be okay. And it's got this big ring. It's fitting right over. This is an 1 or 2 inch ball on the back of my UTV. So I'm going to give it a try and see what it does. Well, there you have it. I just wanted to show you it was real easy to roll up, because I got thinking I got to go to where I got to start and I don't want to be dragging it where I'm going. So I just put me a board down, rolled up, real easy to load up on there. Just wanted to show you that before I get going while the UTV's warming up.